Hey, what's going on, everyone? At Starbucks, so I'm not sure if you can hear me or not. It might be not as high quality as usual, but to get started, you honestly need a computer that has access to Wi-Fi, internet. Go to Starbucks or whatever. Um, my broker is TD Ameritrade, and my platform is Thinkorswim. For scanners, I'll use Finviz, or people just post their scanners onto the chat rooms, whatever. I just basically follow that, honestly. Um, if I'm looking for SEC filings, I'll use BAM SEC or SEC.gov. It's really easy to use. The recent runner was BPTH, and AK SEC filing kind of tells you why it shot up. But honestly, this doesn't really matter. It could be fake, could be real, but people just buy the news. This strategy, it's not that good, but I can teach you that in other or later videos. Um, it's another way to look up SECs. Um, that's really honestly it. And honestly, you do need money, but to start out with, you just start paper trading, open an account with $10,000 fake money, and to see what we can do, test out strategies. Um, I wouldn't start day trading or swing trading until you have a set of rules that you abide by, and that's it. You guys probably have questions about Robinhood. It's a platform with zero commission fees, and that probably appeals to a lot of people, especially with a small account size. You're starting with $100 and you use TD Ameritrade, but you can't because you need a account size minimum of $500. But you open Robinhood up with $100 and you're not getting charged with commissions. That's really appealing for Robinhood, but your executions on Robinhood isn't great whatsoever. I would just honestly stay far away as possible from Robinhood. Save your money up, use E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Lightspeed, Speed Trader, whatever the case may be. But I recommend TD Ameritrade and Thinkorswim. Have a computer, iPad, phone, doesn't matter, as long as it has access to internet and you're able to read the charts. Scan for your stocks. You can use Finviz like I was talking about earlier. You can do Screener, and you just customize what you're screening for, what suits you, what kind of plays you're looking for, stuff like that. That's really it. If you guys have any questions, just drop it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, guys.